Good day, ma'am. Welcome to Bavaria Restaurant. You serve a table for one underneath this way,
Ano wala na magbubutangan?
Okay, ma'am, I am Jo. I am your waiter for today. May I unfold your gift bag, ma'am?
Itong cellphone din mo.
Wala ka na gano'n, Jess. Jess, sabi-sabutin niya ako kanya.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your complimentary bread. Excuse me, ma'am. Just for information, if you're
egg drop soup. I'll have the Caesar salad. Crispy pork katsu also. And for my drinks, I will have the red wine, please.
Right now, since we have dessert, ma'am, since you do not order, do you have a mango panna cotta? Or would you like to order?
Do that one.
Okay, ma'am, I may repeat your order. So you order for appetizer is deviled egg, for your soup is egg drop soup, and for your salad is Caesar salad with a mayonnaise, and for your main course is crispy pork katsu, and also your beverage is red wine, and also you add for dessert is a mango panna cotta. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, your order will be served by 10 to 15 minutes. Is that correct for you, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
Please me, can I have the phone? Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I correct your table?
Hindi ako sabihin, mabasot na ko. Ano to? Tama na, magkakaroon. Ang bilang ako. Happy beholder.
Excuse me, ma'am, for a while. Excuse me, ma'am, here is your appetizer. Excuse me, ma'am, I read your appetizer. Can I present? Excuse you. So, ma'am, here is your soup, which is a enjoy your soup, ma'am.
What do you want?
Excuse me, ma'am, are you done your soup?
Wait lang eh, napay-video ha.
Also, ma'am, here is your Caesar salad with mayonnaise. Excuse me, ma'am, are you done with the salad? Excuse me, ma'am, here is your main course. Would you like me to serve your wine right now, ma'am, or later?
Right now.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your Hardy one, has 30% alcohol. Would you like me to open now?
No, thank you. I would like to serve it so never give it to someone.
Excuse me. Okay, ma'am, I will put in max for you.
The best.
I'm just calling out if you're one who will excuse me. Excuse me, also, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. There is your money. Thank you. Ma'am, I received 5,000. I'll be back for your receipt and change. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your receipt and your change. Excuse me.
Hindi niya gamitin na.
Thank you for dining with us, ma'am. I hope you see you again. Thank you.